Hello everybody, I am Thakurdas Bokshi. I will keep showing you some simple crafts. For that you only required some knives and cutters which are available in your house. You will get the raw material nearby your residence. All you need is your willpower. Follow my works and try to make something else. The experts say there is nothing better than practicing art to keep your mental health well. This is the best way to deal with stress. If you make something, you will feel mental satisfaction and perceive the peace of mind. It doesn't need an outcome of a product or not for the world accept. It's not matter whether people call it an artwork or not. It is just for the satisfaction of your mind and soul. It is your companion when you are alone, when you need a friend, when the world doesn't seem to understand you, your creativity, whatever that may be. It will be the only thing that will keep you inspired and satisfied. So come on, get started today, right now. I have mentioned all my communication in description box. Let me know if you feel any difficulty on making or thinking about handicrafts. I promise to cooperate with you. Keep practicing, stay well, take care, bye.